When you're out there, or here, or even here, safety is everything. The Jeweled Pepper Spray from SABRE, the #1 trusted personal safety brand, helps give you the confidence to enjoy every moment with peace of mind. Cute but powerful, the Jeweled Pepper Spray packs the same punch as other SABRE sprays with a rhinestone-encrusted case that matches the color of the rest of the body. Stylish form meets function. Featuring SABRE's maximum strength formula with UV marking dye. Protects against multiple threats. A twist lock safety to prevent accidental discharge and helps ensure spray is pointing in the right direction. And a snap clip for easy access and attachment when you need it most. With an industry-exclusive in-house testing lab, SABRE guarantees every SABRE product contains SABRE's maximum strength formula. So no matter where you go, what you do, or where life takes you, have the confidence to live life your way. With SABRE, make it safe.